Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Oppo Find X3 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and then eject the SIM tray. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 18 screws. Next, using a plastic carpet tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Now you can take out the mid frame from the body. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the board. Next, disconnect and take out the not working wide, ultra wide, depth and macro cameras from the board. Replace the not working camera with a new unit. Next, secure the new front camera to the board. Next, place and secure the new wide, ultra wide, macro and depth cameras into the board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the mid-frame by adding 18 screws. Ensure clips are fastened before inserting screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.